How to fix can't install apps on Android. Having trouble installing apps on your Android device? This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve common issues that prevent app installation. The first step you have to do is check storage users. Ensure that you have enough storage in your device. For that, you can head into the settings on your device. Scroll a bit down and check for the storage. Let's search for storage and tap on it. Select the storage option and free up the space if needed. You can tap on particular storage and delete any one if it is unnecessary. Get back from this page, and the second step you have to do is clear cache and data. Again, head into the settings on your device. Scroll, tap Apps, tap App Management, search for Google Play Store. Open it. On this app info page, select the storage uses and clear cache. If necessary, you can clear all the data as well. You need to check whether your issue has been resolved or not. If not yet, ensure you have a stable internet connection. If your Wi-Fi is not working well, you can switch it to mobile data and then install apps on Android. If it is not yet working, you need to check date and time settings. Open the settings and then tap Additional Settings. Open Date and Time and tap on Set Time Automatically. You can also set time zone automatically by toggling on the button. Once done, simple restarting your device can also fix the issue. For that, hold the power button in your device. Tap on the slider and slide towards the upward to restart your device. Finally, you can factory reset your device. First, back up your data and then go to Settings. On the Settings page, you can open Systems or tap Additional Settings. Scroll up and down, tap Backup and Reset. Tap Reset Phone and erase all the data. By following all these steps, you should be able to resolve most of the issues preventing app installation on your Android device. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.